Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here is the simulation video of phishing attack via email, prepared for Dr. WAHEED bin GHANEEM, prepared by Muhammad FIKRI bin ROSLAN S62915, SYABIL NAIM bin IZAHARUDDIN S63546, and Muhammad Syahmi bin YAAKOB S62602. So that is our group members. Next, we move to the first step, which is to search for ZFisher in the web browser in desktop. ZFisher is an automated phishing tool that we will use later. Okay, here we can see the ZFisher.sh, which is the file that we will use later. And then this is the code that we need to copy to clone the repository of ZFisher to Kali Linux. Next, we move to the Kali Linux terminal. And then the first one is we rewrite the code that we have copied. And you will see all the loadings. And then to access the repository, to access the directory, we type cd ZFisher and we type ls to view the ZFisher.sh file, whether it is available or not. Here you can see ZFisher.sh is available. Then we move to the step that we have been waited, which is to run the ZFisher. We use the command bash bash ZFisher.sh to run the ZFisher. You will see all the loadings stating the installing required packages, packages already installed, internet status, online, and many more. The status showed that you have successfully installed and run ZFisher. Now we waited for the loading. And there is the ZFisher has successfully run. You can see the ZFisher above and the version, and here is the list of the attack that we can do by using ZFisher. All the social media and websites that we will use to, such as Facebook, Instagram, Google, and Microsoft. But for this attack, we will use LinkedIn for the attack. So we choose number 14. Next, we choose number 2 using Cloudflare. And we choose yes to make a custom point. And then ZFisher successfully generate the URL that we will use for the phishing. So this URL we will use for the phishing purpose, that it will brought us to the LinkedIn login account, login page. So we will test it by using the Kali Linux browser, Mozilla Firefox. And then here it is successful to bring us to the sign in pages of LinkedIn. So this means the link, we can use the link to make the attack. Okay, now we need to move on to how to send the link to the victim. So now we use social engineering attack by Kali Linux. We choose number 5, mass mailer attack. We choose number 1, email attack, single email address. And we choose number 2, one-time use email template. Here we need to write a very good subject of the email to encourage the user to enter the email and the password. So we type new LinkedIn messages. And then we need to type the body of the message. So here again, we need to type very good messages to encourage the people to open and to click the link that ZFisher has generated. So we use enter the body of the message. We use Syahmi. You got 10 new messages from Richard. Check it now. And then we will paste the link that has been generated by ZFisher. Again, we copy from the ZFisher and we paste it on the body. Then we need to enter a few more important things, such as where we want to send the email. So of course, now we choose the instant tawakal at 37gmail.com, which is the private email from Muhammad Syahmi. And we choose number 1, use a Gmail account for your email attack. And we use syahmi.ycb@gmail.com as the source. Then we need to enter a few more important things, such as email, such as passwords, and the name that the email that the receiver will see. Here you will see that it stated the set has finished sending the emails. This means the emails has been sent to the receiver. Okay, here we move to the receiver or victim page. Here at the top you can see there is the email that we just sent. The receiver just received the email. The email is named FIKRI and it shows new linking message as we typed before. So this will encourage the user to click it. Then Syahmi, of course, click the email and he read the message. Syahmi, you've got 10 new messages from Richard, check it now. So then he clicked the link. When he clicked in, and when he clicked sign in, it will refresh the page and Syahmi will think, oh, this means he had been phishing. He knows it, but it is too late because the attacker had already received the important messages. So here we move to the attacker page. So then as soon as Syahmi entered the password and username and click the sign in button, the attacker will receive the IP address, the username and the password. So here, by getting all this information, the attacker will use the information in a irresponsible way, and Syahmi is very vulnerable to attack and to lose his account or to be manipulated by the attacker. So that's all from us. Simulation video. Thank you.